Turn on your right signal and pull over to the right side of the curb. Signal left for at least 3 seconds before starting your turn. Check your mirrors and blind spot for any oncoming vehicles. Turn the steering wheel fully to the left and slowly drive forward until you're close to the curb. Turn the steering wheel fully to the right and begin reversing. Don't forget to double-check the oncoming car. Turn your wheel back to the left and drive forward carefully.